Got a Century Hanyang 88 rifle today in the mail. Actually got 4 of them. This is what they look like when you open the box. Quite dirty.
Incredible story. Thank you very much for learning more about it. Senator Cotton's good to see you tonight.
One of the Century Hanyangs wiped off. No real heavy cleaning, just wiped her down real quick. It's got a good crack right there. The stock's a little dry, coming apart in the back. This one's not too bad. Got a little break right there in the handguard. Here's number 3 from Century. This one seems promising. Just has a little chip off the bottom there. It actually has rifling and has been counterbored. Yeah, this is probably my favorite of the 4. Haven't cleaned any other bores yet though. Here's number 4. It has a little bit of rifling, but not much, and it's been counterbored. It's got different markings than the rest of them. I don't know what that is. It was a good stock till you get to here. It's like, damn it. Got that weird stamp on this side too. Yeah, it's a shame the front of the handguard's all effed up. Handguard's got a crack, but totally repairable. Here's the haul. On review, the first one I checked that was still dirty seems to have rifling and a good bore. Surprisingly, all the bores are shiny, except for one smooth as a shotgun. I gotta decide what I'm gonna do with each one. Be some fun projects. I'll get them apart and clean them all and make another video.